It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are again at this beautiful period style home in Hawthorne, where we'll be doing some internal and external painting. And as we go through, it's been a while since the house was painted, and it's got a few blemishes on the ceilings, on the walls, and there's some picture rails that have been made to stand out a little bit. And this particular fireplace surround has not been painted. And now we're going to go through and give this whole home a fresh coat of paint, new colors on the walls to make them nice and subtle. And we're also going to paint the doors of the cupboards and all the timberwork, windows and skirting boards and architraves. And we're going to bring this place to look really, really presentable so that the owners can put it on the market and sell the home. There isn't a lot of preparation to be done, apart from some cracks and some blemishes in the walls, as well as sanding and preparation of all of the doors and the timber work, just so that the new coat of paint is really nice when it goes on. As we go outside the house, the front fence will also be painted, and so will the windows and the trim work of the home, so that they can pop and be a little more obvious, so that they make a bit of a bolder statement. And we'll pay attention to all the surfaces outside by sanding them and preparing them and filling any holes and blemishes, gaps and cracks with all the appropriate fillers, and then painting them in woodland grey, which is a colour-bond colour. And we're also going to paint the downpipes, the fascias, the eaves and the gutters to bring them all in line and make them match. And against the red brick, they'll really pop really well. We'll also paint this part of the garage, the trim on the downpipes and the roofing. And we're also going to attend to this section above the veranda, and we're going to paint the veranda posts and all the trim work. And here we are, a couple of days later, after we've attended to the interior, where everything has had a fresh coat of paint, and we've made the place look really sharp, and the client has started to put back their pictures and their artwork so that the place is prepared and ready for open houses and for inspections. And this place has really turned out looking fantastically amazing. All the imperfections are now gone. The doggies are keen to go to the other side of the door. We painted that frame around the fireplace, and here are the windows, which we also painted to make stand out and make a little bit more of a statement. And as we go through to the rear yard again, you'll see that all the windows, all the gutters and downpipes, everything has been painted in colour-bond woodland grey, so that there's quite a difference now in the way that the place looks. And like I said, it pops really well against the red brick of the house. And as we go around into the yard, we've paid attention to and painted all of the trim around the garage. And we also painted the stucco and the walls inside the garage. And we've really made this veranda and those rear French doors look really, really good now that they've painted and all tie in, and basically created a home that the new owners just have to move into. There's nothing to do with this home anymore. This is the extension of the home, where we also did some minor repairs to the walls, skirting boards, architraves, and we've painted everything to make it stand out and look really amazing. And we also painted the ceiling and the trim work. And now the place is ready for sale. It's ready to go to market. And this Hawthorne home has been lovingly updated and refreshed, and it's really going to make a lovely home for somebody.